Hello, this is Professor Felipe again. In this opportunity, I am going to share with you how to use a very special app for practicing pronunciation. We need to go to the Play Store. There, you are going to type the name of the app, which is English Phonetic Pronunciation. App, and then of course it's going to display this one. The first one, the one you see here, is the one that you are going to select. Okay, we are going to install it. It is going to take some minutes, of course, depending on the amount of internet speed you have. Okay, it takes some time for the installation process. We need to wait until everything is under legal terms and it is ready to open. Now it is completely installed, and then we can open the app. Then we are going to see that we have some permissions to allow. Of course, we are going to allow this the permissions for this app. Then of course we are going to have different options. Then this app, of course, is for free. We are going to start here with learn and practice pronunciation. We are going to see that it is going to develop different things. In this app, we are going to have the chance to practice vowels. We are going to have the chance to practice diphthongs, and of course we are going to have the chance to practice consonants. As you can see, these are the phonetic symbols that we are studying in the university. Okay, and then for example, you are going to select these ones, the ones that we have been studying lately. Let's say, for example, this one, the palatal sound. Okay, you select. Okay, you of course you pick the full lesson. Okay, it gives you some message, some sort of instructions. Okay, you read it, you click on next. Okay, and then immediately it displays some words that conveys the palatal sound. Okay, and then you have the chance to listen to it, to practice, to repeat it, and to see the phonetic representation or the phonetic transcription. Okay, then you receive extra message there in the app. Okay, and then some other instructions, some other recommendation. Okay, and then more practice. This is what we are interested in, the practice. Okay, it presents some words for you to practice the sound, and of course with the imitation, the repetition, you can improve the pronunciation of your apps. Okay, there are some more examples there, some more instructions, some more recommendations. In addition to that, it provides a video. Okay, then it provides a video clip with the explanation of or the articulation of this sound. Okay, you can watch the video clip as many times as you want. Okay, so once you get the explanation from that video clip, you can click on next, and then you will see some other words to practice. Okay, it provides some more instructions. Then you click on next every time you need to listen for the explanation and get the imitation of the video clip for improving your own pronunciation. Then you have more sounds. Okay, and of course it provides some specific words for you to practice, very common words. You click here on the microphone icon. Okay, and you get the chance to produce and practice your own pronunciation. Okay, you say, for example, you. Okay, and then it is going to allow you some other words. Okay, more words for you to practice. So in addition to the lesson, you also have the option for practices. You click here, for example, here on practice. Immediately it displays different words. Let's say, for example, here for this particular sound you have 40 words. In this case, you have the chance to listen to the pronunciation and then after that to practice the pronunciation. Let's say, for example, you listen.
Argue.
And then you can repeat. Argue. Okay, so immediately it tells me how good or how far or how bad I did it. So you are going to repeat the same process with the following word and the next word and the next word, because you are going to have the feedback every time that you try to pronounce new words. So another feature that we are going to find out there is that in addition to the lessons and to the practices, you also have the chance to practice some conversations. In these conversations in MERS, you are going to find out most of the sounds that we practice in phonetics. Okay, let's say for example you are going to listen to this video clip and then you'll click on OK, and then you are going to receive some ads here. Of course you are going to skip that ad, okay, and then you are going to try to enter again. Of course, since this is a free app, you need to get acquainted of the video clip. Then you will receive the message for the introduction of the video clip, and then you are going to watch the video, and of course you have it there.
Yes. Hi there. Are you Pete? I am Pete. Nice to meet you.
Okay, once you finish watching the video, then you have the opportunity then to practice and reinforce the sounds that we are studying. Okay, so this app is very convenient, is very nice, and of course I invite you to use this app every day. In such a manner you can see yourself improving your pronunciation, okay, in terms of phonetics, your pronunciation for a better performance of your own speaking skill. Okay, so this is the app I want you to install. I want you to use. You are going to use it every day. In the way you use it every day, you will see that at the end of the process you are going to be improving your pronunciation. Okay, then if any question or any comment, just keep me posted. Thank you.